Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to connect with people who are different than you. The speaker is Abigail Spanberger. She had Bachelor of Arts degree and the Master of Business Administration. She is an American politician and former intelligence officer. Her political stance is centrist Democrat, and she describes herself as a passionate pragmatist. She shared her childhood story to explain why we need to building relationship. When she was young, she has deeply curiosity of asking questions and solving puzzles. And she learned from her Spanish-speaking friends that understand people's conversations by observing their expressions and interactions. And when she wants to truly grasp the full context, she also needs to build relationships. When she was a CIA case officer, she found that building trust is also important. During her missions, she realized that building relationships wasn't enough. She also needed trust and the right questions to gather intelligence effectively and safely. By connecting over shared interests, sometimes even something as simple as a favorite TV show. From her story, I summarized the two important keys. One is asking the right questions. Two is knowing how to build trust. We could start from common hobbies, family stories, or sports that to create bonds. Building relationships is also the key to meaningful communication. When we start from this, we could also get the ability of leadership, governance, and problem solving. My opinion. I think asking the right questions and building strong relationships lead to better understanding and deeper insights. By truly listening and engaging with others, especially those who are different from us, can uncover hidden needs and perspectives that might otherwise be overlooked. Connecting with different people is essential not only to solve problems, but also to build trust, foster empathy, and create more inclusive communities. Only through open communication and genuine relationships can we bridge divides and achieve meaningful progress together. Thank you, everyone. This is the end of my report.